All right, guys and gals, here's what we did. We cleaned this area right here and the one on the other end. We did not do the center section. That's how well this cleaner works. Look at that. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today I have with me the absolute best homemade Secret Concoction for cleaning vinyl and leather. You're going to be blown away with this. It's all basic home ingredients that you can put together, and it's safe for leather and vinyl on anything in your house, in your car, it doesn't matter. Very simple mixture. We're going to do this right now on this seat down here. Take a look at this. It's disgusting. This is in the BOOMZILLA project. And this actually works better than vinyl prep spray. Yes, you still use the vinyl prep spray before painting, but for cleaning, this stuff is absolutely amazing. And this is the one product that you'll use before the suds and foam goes away. You'll apply this right here, and I'll give you the mixture to this. I'm not going to waste your time with trying to give you all the mixtures and amounts to make this up right here, but it's a few ingredients. You put it together and you're going to be blown away. But this is spray away, non-ammonia, and you'll use this, and before the foam goes away, you'll put this on right here, and you're going to love it. And it does have Old 99 in it. You're going to see why. Watch this. Let's do this side here. Here's all you do. You spray the spray away on. But before the foam goes away, you'll add this mixture right here. And this is kind of thick. And you'll see why when you see the ingredients. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. All right, we let it set for 5 minutes. And you're going to be amazed with this. We'll take a dirty microfiber and scrub it up. And guess what? Rust came out. And this is a 20-year-old seat, 20 plus years old. Now to finish it off, we will hit it with the spray away one more time, just to rinse it clean. Now wait till the shine goes away. You're going to be amazed. All right, we're going to peel the tape off. Day and night.